This area of the display will indicate 3 separate and distinct target sizes. This image and sound announce that you have found a target less than 1.5 inches in size, the size of a coin. This image and sound indicate that your target is larger than 1.5 inches, but less than 4 inches in size. Finally, this image and sound tell you that your target is larger than 4 inches. The red, blue, and green bands on the Target ID Guide are color-coded to relate to the 3 profile sizes. You'll find 10 times as many coins with the GTP than with a detector without this exclusive feature. Let's dig this coin and then learn more about the amazing new coin-finding GTP1350. And remember, always be careful where you dig. Beware of strange objects that you might uncover. Read carefully and heed this warning in your owner's manual. First, let's review what we already know by looking at the display, which includes profiling. Remember, the display looked like this when we found that quarter. We pressed the pinpoint profiling pad, and the display looked like this as we held the touchpad down and began to pinpoint our target, with depth shown in inches on the lower scale. We then released the pinpoint profiling pad and began the 14-inch sweeps that allowed our detector to give us approximate target size. The target cursor on the top scale showed that we had discovered a target with conductivity of a quarter. So, you've learned how to pinpoint and use profiling, and you've found your silver quarter. In short, you know how to operate the GTP1350. And remember, turn off the profiling function before you continue hunting. But there's so much more to this fantastic detector. Let's learn next how you can adjust all the controls to make the detector hunt just the way you want it to hunt, and to locate just the targets you're looking for. It's here from the display that you can also determine exactly how you want to hunt. This display reports online information. You'll always know precisely what your GTP is looking for. For example, what about the squares that appear on the lower scale? Well, those segments indicate discrimination settings that have been set at the factory. Your GTP will detect and sound off on any target that corresponds to a darkened discrimination segment. But look here, a cursor on the top scale will indicate every target your coil passes over, even when the detector doesn't announce them audibly. You can regulate this detector for any kind of treasure hunting with just 3 touchpads: Menu, Plus, and Minus. Your owner's manual discusses all of these options that are available to you. When you turn the detector on, you are automatically operating in the factory preset coins detection mode, with discrimination already set to detect coins while eliminating trash targets generally found in coin hunting. Press the menu touchpad and you see 5 hunting modes that are available, and any of them you can style for yourself. You'll notice that the 4 new mode selections are blinking. In setting any function of the GTP, the words that are steady and not blinking, coins in this case, indicate the mode in which the instrument is operating. To change your selection, press the plus or minus touchpads. We'll keep pressing until the word 0 is constant. If we then press the operate pad, we can begin hunting for all metallic targets with no discrimination. Remember the discrimination segments in the lower scale? Look at them in this 0 discrimination mode. You'll notice that all appear. The GTP will now sound off on any metal it detects. Press Menu again and rotate through all of the options. First comes Mode. Press Menu again and set Sensitivity. You'll note that the factory setting is about 75%. Press the plus and minus touchpads and watch the segments. Of course, you'll always want to hunt as deeply as possible, but search conditions may sometimes limit just how sensitive you can set your detector. This control option permits you to achieve all of the detection depth possible under any condition. Press